So the first thing that you can take from this Shopify store and apply to your Shopify store to increase your profit is how they are constantly incentivizing their customers to buy more things on their product page. So they have this first module of the upsells here above the add to cart button, so you can easily click on these icons and add these products that are related to this product that their customers are looking at. And when you click this and add it to the cart, these two things will be added to the cart, and therefore you will increase your AOV and profit margin of the Shopify store. So very important thing. They're also doing this after the add to cart button, which is why I have mentioned they're heavily relying on this. So they have another module here, and you can just switch between these and you can click on the add, and this product will be added to the cart, and therefore you will increase your AOV. Then even below that, they have another feature which is once again increasing their AOV, and it is make it a bundle. So they have 3 products, and when you click on the add to cart, all these products will be added to the cart. What you can do to make this offer even more appealing is to have a slight discount when they add all these things to the cart, so that it makes sense to buy it as a bundle. They're not doing it right now, so maybe they're planning to start with this promotion in the November and stuff like that. So this is as well a very good strategy to increase your AOV and your profit margin, which is a big problem for most of the e-commerce stores. So 3 modules, 2 of them above default and 1 of them just below default, which helps with the AOV. The second thing you can learn from this brand is that instead of having the product description, which is what most of you guys have, they have the social proof above default. So the first thing that their customers see when they land on their product page is this social proof, 5-star rated review from a satisfied customer. There's not too much to talk about the phone cases, and they have opted for going for the social proof here. So immediately when their visitors land on their product page, they see happy customers and they start to believe that they will become the happy customer as well. So this is very important thing. The third thing that you can learn here is that how they are reducing the friction of their customers, and they're doing this by having this widget just below the price. You have the price which is $60, but if you put it that you can pay it in 4 installments rather than paying it all at once, your perceived cost lowers and therefore you increase your conversion rate. It's just less painful to buy it in 4 installments rather than paying it all at once. So this is how this widget helps them with increasing the conversion rate. The next thing that they're doing, and this is a very cool thing, is claim a free case. So when you click on this, you get this prompt and you can give them email, and you get the welcome email series, which gives you the coupon code. And if you don't make a purchase, they still get your email. So they try to persuade you to buy in the next 7 days with the welcome email series. And if you buy, it's even better. You become their customer, then they start nurturing you with other emails. So this is very good offer. You buy 1, get 1 for free, and you can see how they have offer today, which brings a little bit more of the urgency to it, so that their customers act now and they don't wait tomorrow, because tomorrow this offer might not be valid anymore. The fifth thing that you can learn from this brand is their menu bar. A lot of you guys in your menu bar put things like contact us, delivery information and stuff like that, which you shouldn't do. What you want to have in your mega menu is all the things that are related to the selling, all the things that are related to the exploration of other products, so that your customers can easily navigate through your website and find other products that they can add to the cart, and therefore increase your AOV, especially if you're running an offer where it's free shipping over a certain threshold like they do. And if you want to have the contact us and the FAQs and shipping delivery and all these things, you can have it in the footer section. Your customers are already used to finding these pages in the footer, so when they want to contact you, they will scroll all the way down and click on the contact us button. So if you have the contact us and all these pages in the mega menu, you're essentially wasting your real estate of your website with the elements that could increase your conversion rate. So this is very important thing. You can see how their mega menu looks like, very clean. They have 2 categories, one for the iPhone, one for the Android cases, which is really good. And therefore you just make it easier for your customer to explore other products. The next thing is that how their images, although they're selling the phone cases, are lifestyle images. They have images of people. It brings more of the human touch to the product page. So they're showing images of other people wearing their cases on their phones. Most of you guys will just have different images of the phone case from the different angle. But what you want to have in your product page is images of people using your products, so that your visitors can resonate with these people and you increase your conversion rate. So let's cover how their homepage look like. You can see they have two sections. Usually one section with one CTA works better, but in this case I guess they have tested and find out that the two sections worked better, where they display two different collections at this point. And just below the fold you can see they have immediately their credentials, they have their trust seals, so you have other successful brands how they're endorsing this company. When you click on each of these icons, it shows the quotation of this company about this brand, and this helps a lot with increasing the trust and credibility. When their new visitors land on there, they know that they're a credible company, and when they make a purchase there's a higher chance that they're going to like the product and that they're not going to lose their money, right? When you go to the collection page, you can see how the collection page look like. They have this section above the fold which communicates again their trust seals. They're showing what's important to their customers, so it might be important that their products are made in Canada, not maybe in China or something else. In some cases, removing this above the fold will help you with increasing the conversion rate because your customers will get to the product exploration much faster. But I guess they have tested this and have seen that the social proof here with these trust seals helps them with increasing the conversion rate. And the last thing I wanted to show you is how the cart page look like. They once again have the upsells, and you have this, you're saving the equivalent of 45 plastic bags and the average order saves 60 bags, so this makes you spend a little bit more, and you have other products to help you with spending a little bit more. So if you don't spend a little bit more, you start feeling like you're under the average here, right? So it's an interesting tactic. So I guess this helps them with increasing the AOV, which is the main thing that you should learn from this brand, how they are incentivizing their customer to spend more, and therefore they increase their average order value and how much they profit from their Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to receive my free training, click the link down below and watch the next video that will help you with increasing your conversion rate.